Keyword Booster is a feature that allows you to enhance the speech recognition of specialized jargon, names, brands, and other rare keywords. It ensures accurate transcriptions that reflect your domain's nuances. Let's see the difference before and after Keyword Booster is activated in a session. Open the captioner, turn on the microphone, and say a sentence containing a unique name. For example, Jerface School District is located in Oregon. If you see a word is captioned incorrectly, you can activate the Keyword Booster and get an accurate transcription. Before you activate the Keyword Booster, you must have a keyword group containing the words you want to boost. To create a keyword group, go to your dashboard. Click Settings and select Captioner. Then, click on the Keyword Booster tab. Click Add Keyword Group to create a new keyword group and add its name. Click Save and then click View on the keyword group you added. Then, add the word you want to boost. You can adjust the keyword weight to very low, low, medium, or high. We recommend starting from low. If you set the keyword weight to low and it's still not captioned correctly, you can increase the keyword weight. You can also click Edit and add the keyword's pronunciation so the engine can recognize it better. Aside from creating a new keyword group, you can add the word to an existing keyword group and follow the steps mentioned before. To activate the Keyword Booster, go to your session and click Options. Then, switch on the Keyword Booster and click the drop-down to select the keyword group you want to use. You can now start using the Keyword Booster in your session.
Spiffio, access in any language.